Yung confidential word kasi, pag ginagamit, parang intelligence eh. Parang ganun din eh. Di ba? Parang yung sinasabi mo. So, it is abused. Bakit hindi sa budget nasusunod and we want your opinion para mas magko-conform sa circular nyo? Palitan natin. Huwag nang confidential na gamitin. Gamitin natin restricted funds or non-public funds. Ganun pa rin, di ba? Private but open. Naintindihan na nila na hindi confidential ito, na hindi ito pwedeng hindi naalaman ng publiko. Something to that effect. Just the opinion of
With the indulgence of Senator Judge Soto, it's good to stand up once in a while for being seated for a long time, but the chair will not allow counsels to respond and give their opinion on the matter and will simply allow the witness to answer, similar to the chair's ruling in relation to the query earlier of Senator Judge Cayetano. Yes, Attorney Wamil.
Well, I submit that po to the Commission on Audit po. I am not authorized po to give an opinion as to that.
That was the witness's answer. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Witness. In your testimony, August 3, upon direct examination by the Prosecution Counsel, you were presented representative samples of selected forms. The question 845 acknowledged receipts, if I remember it right. Correct ba yun?
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right. Sinabi nyo na kayo ay gumawa ng observations doon sa mga acknowledgement receipts nito kung saan ilan dito ay pinagagamitan ng confidential funds ay hindi naaayon sa Joint Circular 2015-01. Ngunit may mga acknowledgement receipts according to how I recall it na wala naman kayong observations, ano?
Yes po.
Sapagkat ang pinagamitan ng pondo ay naaayon sa nasabing circular. Tama ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Halimbawa, yung acknowledgement receipt ni Mary Grace Mary Grace Piatos na 70,000 for medicine, walang supporting documents. Kaya gumawa kayo ng observations.
Yes po,
Tapos
Your Honor.
yung doon naman kay acknowledgement receipt ni Janice Marie Trevilla, 70,000 at Patty Ting na 150,000. Wala kayong observations. Dahil ang pondo ay ginamit sa purchase of information na pinayagan o allowed ng nasabing circular. Tama ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
That's the way I recall it. All right. Okay, now, ito ngayon ang tanong ko. Out of these 845 acknowledgement receipts na pinag-uusapan sa kasong ito, ilan ang nagawa nyo ng observations dahilan sa kawalan ng supporting documents?
Hindi ko na po matiyak kung ilan yung exact number po, Your Honor.
Ilan ng, well, then my next question will not be answered because tatanong ko, ilan yung walang observations?
Pwede ko po pwede po ako mag-refer sa tabulation po, Your Honor.
Please.
You can refer to your tabulation table that was earlier marked. Assisting counsel, can you show him the previously marked evidence pertaining to his tabulation or summary? Assisting counsel for the respondent may also approach, should he so desire.
Your Honor, I'll have to count po since wala pong summary dito.
What do you mean? You have to count. The 845.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Wala kang percentage man lang.
Since personal notes ko lang po ito, Your Honor, raw tabulation lang po siya.
So you would not have a, gano'ng katagal nga abutin niya kung bibilangin mo? Kasi my next question actually would be, magkano ang total noong meron kayong observations? At magkano yung wala?
If the chair may assist, Attorney Wamil, look at your notice of suspension. You may observation ka, I presume, pertains to those rewards, payment of goods and medicines, that you made observations to and suggested to be suspended. So I presume it pertains to those ARs.
Yes po, Your Honor, pero amount lang po kasi yung naka-indicate po doon.
And the total is
Sa 845, Mr. Presiding Officer, ilan ang total? Magkano yung total? Sa 845.
May I be allowed po to peruse po yung notice of suspension?
you
Your
may refer to it.
Papayag na kasi ko sa ballpark figure, basta't bigyan mo lang ako ng kasagutan. Anong total nung 845? Ano yun? 125 million?
Out of the 125 million, ilan po?
Your Honor, please.
Let's wait for the witness counsel to answer. He's referring to your marked exhibit, the notice of suspension. I believe it's on the first page, Attorney Wamil.
Sa first page po, with respect to the payment of rewards po, 59,787,000 pesos po, Your Honor. With other purchases naman po, umabot po siya ng around 15 million pesos, Your Honor.
So ilan yung walang observations? Wala kayong observations.
Bali, ang total po ng may observation namin ay around 75 million pesos po, Your Honor.
75 million sa may observations. So around 50 ang mga walang observations. Ganun ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And all right. So that is for the 125.
Yes po, Your Honor.
I don't have any time anymore. So it's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Soto. Senator Judge Lacson.